Hey, how you guys doing? Ready to roll? All right, quick lesson today, but very handy. All right, this is called divisibility. And look, we're going to do some divisibility tests for certain numbers. You need to know this because we're going to be messing with, factors and quotients and all kinds of things like that. So the more tricks you know about how you can tell that a certain number is divisible by this number and that number and all those kind of thing, the faster you can do these and get these problems over with. And that's what we're looking for, right? We want to get these things right. That's the first thing. But you want to increase your speed, right? So you can go do other things like, raise your organic goats and stuff like that. Okay, so anyway, write these down. If you don't know them already, you might know them. All right, you can tell if a number is divisible by 2 if it is an even number, right? You can look at any number you want with as many digits, blah, 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 all these digits, and then if it ends in a 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0, that is divisible by 2. That's it. Okay, for 3, this is weird. You can look at a number. If the digits of the number, if you add them together, and they add up to a number that itself is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. I don't know. Maybe that's just the way God made numbers. I don't have any idea how that works. But let's say, obviously we can, look, there's a number 12. We know 12 is 3 times 4, so it's divisible by 3. But look at 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. That tells us. Okay, here's something else. I don't know. 78. 7 plus 8 is what? 78. No, it's 7. Okay, it's 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. That means 78 is divisible by 3. You could have any number you want. 400. I don't know, 2 if you wanted. Well, first off, that's divisible by 2. We know that, right? And 402 is 4 plus 0 plus 2 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So you can go over here if you need to in the future and go, okay, I'm going to divide that 3 into 402 and then go on. Of course, you might want to do another step of just instead, you might go, well, that's divisible by 2. So I know that's going to be 201. You can look at 201 and go, wait a minute. 2 plus 0 plus 1, that's also 3. Oh, so that's divisible by 3. And something like 201, that's not exactly one of those times tables numbers. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's these rules and tests, memorizing them, probably the only way you're going to be able to tell that that's divisible by 3. So that's going to be 67. 67 is not divisible. It's a prime number. So you stop right there. Okay, here's another one. 5. How can you tell a number is divisible by 5? It either ends in a 5 or ends in a, I won't tell you this. That's right. 0. Okay, in other words, 2,860 is divisible by 5. There you go. All right, 9. Here's another weird one. It's like the 3. You can tell a number is divisible by 9 if you add all the digits together and the digits add up to a number that itself is divisible by 9. Now, if you look at all you just keep going with 9s. You're going to go with 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, all those multiples of 9. You've seen this before, I'm sure. 90 and so on. All 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. Blah blah blah. 9 plus 0 is 9. Now you can go to 99. If let's say you didn't know this, you could go. You should know that that's 9 times 11, of course. But if you went, okay, 9 plus 9 is 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Yeah, it is. So that's also divisible by 9. You could any number you want. 7,840. I don't know. We could make it. I don't know. Let's see. How about 8? 7,848. Is that divisible by 9? Well, 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 8 is 27. Is 27 divisible by 9? Yep. Well, so is that number. That's all there is to it. Okay? 10's an easy one. If it ends in a 0, divisible by 10. End of story. So let's look at some of these. Which of these is divisible by 2? Obviously, that ends in a 6. That ends in a 4. Both even numbers. That's an odd number. 783, so that one isn't. All right? Which is divisible by 3? Well, we'll have to add the digits, right? So 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 3 is 18. So this is divisible by 3. In fact, this is also divisible by 9 because it adds up to 18, right? 18 is divisible by 9, so there we go. So you can actually go 9 into something, then we can go 8, and then let's see. That's 72, so there's 6 left over. 9 into 63 is 7. There you go. 9 times 87. Is, by the way, 87 divisible by 3? Yep, sure is. Okay, 8 plus 7 is 15, which is divisible by 3. Okay, is this divisible by 3? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. No, it's not. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14, so 14 is not divisible by 3, so the first one is the only one. All right, let's try. Which of those numbers, 2, 3, 5, 9, and 10, are factors of 405? Well, you tell me. Pause it for a second and try. Okay, be unpaused. 2, no, right? Okay, 3, 4 plus 0 plus 5 is 9, so 9 is divisible by 3, so yep, 3 is a factor. 5, yep, ends in a 5. 10, I'll skip to that last, first here. 10, no, it doesn't end in a 0, but 9, 4 plus 0 plus 5 is 9, so yeah, 405 is divisible by 9. There you go, all right? How about 720? You pause it for a second and try it yourself. Which one of those? 2, 3, 5, 9, and 10. Pause it. Okay, let's go back. 2, yes, it's an even number. 3, let's see. 7 plus 2 plus 0 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yep, you can divide 3 into that. 5, yep, it ends in a 0 or a 5. 9, 7 plus 2 plus 0 is 9. Yep, it sure is. In fact, it's 9 times 80. 10, yep, ends in a 0, so boom, all the way across. All right, let's try this one. This is your practice set, so you can look at this screen if you want to and just do it this way, or you can go to your book and figure it out. But let's go ahead and pause it and try A and see what you get. Okay, divisible by 2. Let's take a look here. Just 234. That's it. It's an even number. Okay, try B. All right, B, divisible by 3. Only 3,456 is divisible by 3 because 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 18, and that's divisible by 3. Okay, try C. Pause it. Okay, C, 120. It's 2, 3, 5, and 9. 10. 9 is not because 1 plus 2 plus 0, it does not add up to a multiple of 9, including 9. All right, pause it again and try D. All right, let's try D here. 102. 2, yes. 3, yes, because 1 plus 0 plus 2 is 3. Divisible by 3. 5, nope. 9, nope. 10, nope. That's all there is to it. Okay, really learn those, okay? Because what Saxon's going to do is they're going to give you numbers like 257 and 389 and 1,726. They're going to go, okay, factor this. And you're going to go, if you had, let's say, 1726, for example. You're immediately, what I would do is go, okay, I'm just going to go 2. I know it's divisible by 2. I just divide by 2 and boom, boom. Whatever I got left, then I look at that. Is that ended a 5 or a 0, or is it this or that, or is it add up to 3, or a multiple of 3, or a multiple of 9, and then just go from there. So anyway, good luck today with all your warm-ups. Do the best you can, and knock it out, and have a great rest of the day. See ya.